1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6. I bought this car a couple winters ago off of Craigslist. The people had owned it for 17 years. They bought it, had 33,000 miles on it, I think, and when I bought it, had 119,000 miles on it, so they did get some use out of it. But it was leaking oil, so they told me, so I put new valve cover gaskets in it. Then the cam seals went out, and it was really leaking oil then, so I put cam seals in and timing belt. And now I'm back to my no start issue. I did put a different distributor in it when I bought it, and it did make it quit the no start issue, but then it started again. There's a lot of difference in these distributors. I actually ordered one off of a wreck car off of eBay, but it did not work. So they refunded me on that. And I have ordered this CarQuest, and it was supposed to have been a remanufactured from Cardone, but when I went to install it, this guard here that clips into there, it just fell off, it broke off of there. So I was just going to try to take, this was my old one that I put in that made it start again. But the designs definitely are different on these. So that idea didn't exactly work. How that went into there and then clipped onto there. And this one here is completely different. And there is just a bunch of all kinds of stuff underneath these. See why they go bad. But I did order one off of Amazon, Cardone, brand new, $117 I think it was. Waiting on that till Thursday, see if I can get this 1998 Chrysler to start again.